Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're just gonna show you if you're not checking your brakes on time, you don't service your car on time, this is what is gonna happen. The brakes were completely gone, worn out, and then the driver continued driving the car. As you can see, this brake disc is completely finished, and as a technician at this point, all we can do is replace this disc, and probably on the other side, and then from there the brake system will be